Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to verify your Betway account. Account verification is important because it helps keep your account safe and allow you to withdraw your winning amount without problem. First, unlock your phone and open the Betway app on your phone and log in using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu Profile or My Account. Look for the option that says Call or Verification, Account Verification or Document. In my region, it's not available right yet. In your region, it may be available. If it's available, Betway will ask you to fulfill few documents such as a valid ID, passport, national ID or driving license, proof of address like utility bill or bank statement, sometime a selfie holding your ID. Make sure the documents are clear and not expired. Follow the instruction on the screen and upload your document. Take clear photo of your and upload file where your name is visible. All details can be read clearly. Then submit. After uploading, Betway will review your document. This may take a few hours to few days depending on your review process. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.